How to remove status from the latest WhatsApp Android version of the application. Due to several recent updates of the WhatsApp application, it has become a bit confusing on how to remove the status we created. WhatsApp Status is a new feature this app offers. Status lets you share text, photo, video, and GIF updates that disappear after 24 hours. You can send and receive status updates with people when you both have each other saved as contacts. So, let me show you how to remove your status. Before you start with this procedure, update the WhatsApp application so that you have the latest available app from the Google Play Store. Now, open WhatsApp. Click on Updates. If you've created a status, you'll see your status picture in this profile picture frame. Click on that frame. Your statuses will open. I created 3. I will remove the third status. Click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on Delete. A message box appears asking us if we're sure we want to delete the status. Confirm by clicking on this button. And that's it. We removed the status. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel and become part of the digital family.